Hi everyone! So I'm going to explain the instructions for the first project choice that you can choose to do. So the first choice involves going to this website, powtoon.com, and essentially you're going to make your own Powtoon. And a Powtoon is pretty much like this short 3-minute cartoon that you can edit and customize in order to pretty much relay any information that you want. So you're going to have to sign up for an account right here and make sure you're signing up for the free version. That will give you limited access to the capabilities, but it will be enough to complete this assignment. I already have a login, so I will just log in using my information. Oh gosh, hopefully I remember it correctly. Oh, please work, fingers crossed. Awesome. All right. So once you're in the Powtoon workspace, you got to give it a second to load. So once you're in the Powtoon workspace, you are going to go to this left-hand sidebar here, click Create, so it's going to say Start from Scratch. You're going to want to do horizontal. That'll be the best mode for your audience to view your Powtoon. And then it's going to take you to the Powtoon Studio. And here's where you are going to be able to customize your slides how you want. And then so while that is loading, I will go over what you're going to include in your Powtoon. So, actually, we'll get back to that. So first you're going to choose a look. Cartoon is generally the look that has the most features available for free. So I'm going to go ahead and choose cartoon. And then now you have the option to choose certain scenes. You can add text. You can add people. So they'll show you like which people are free. So for example, Office, these little characters are free. And you can click them and then you can have them, display different emotions. You can add shapes, you can add props, so your people can look like they're typing or anything, and they have free props there. So all your capabilities will be on the right side here. And going over what you're going to do, you are going to take one main idea from your argumentative essay. So remember, your essays have either 2 or 3 main ideas, not including your counter argument. So you cannot choose your counter argument. You have to choose strictly a main idea. And then using Powtoon, you're going to create a presentation that outlines your axis model points. So essentially what you're going to do is that, and you can have one slide for each letter, but you'll have a slide where you are highlighting the argument of your main idea. The next slide will be an example. The next slide will be the explanation. And then the next slide will be the significance. So you should have, or you can have text. You can have the little people. And every slide, I do want you to include voiceover of some sort. So Powtoon only lets you do a voiceover of 20 seconds for the free mode. So just something brief. You can briefly say, my main idea is this, and then have the important information on the slide. So that's it for the instructions. If you need an example, watch the next video. Thanks, guys.